Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Huion Note with your Android smartphone using a Bluetooth method. To do this, first you'll need to download an app called Huion Note. When it's downloaded from your Google Play Store or any other store that has this app available, you'll be able to open it. Inside, you will need to create an account, and you can find the button for it right here. I've already created mine to save you some time. Then we can click on this icon right here, select connect using the Bluetooth, and now we can open our Note, and it should instantly be visible in available devices. We can click on it, and now the connection is successful. In case you want to use it, and you probably will, then you can create a new note right here, or go for basically anything right here and open it. Then you can click on this button right here to create a new page and start drawing. And that's how it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.